Hey there, fellow health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cod liver oil and exploring its potential benefits. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't cod liver oil a bit old school? Well, let me tell you, it's making a comeback in the wellness scene, and for good reasons. So, buckle up as we uncover the secrets of this ancient superfood and see why it might just be the next big thing in your daily routine. First things first, let's talk about the science behind it. Cod liver oil is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and vitamin D, all of which are like the superheroes of the nutrient world. Now, I know what you're thinking, omega-3s? Vitamin A? Don't we already get enough of those from our regular diet? Well, not quite. These nutrients are often lacking in our modern diets, and that's where cod liver oil steps in as a convenient and potent supplement. One of the most intriguing benefits of cod liver oil is its potential to improve heart health. You see, those omega-3 fatty acids are like the ultimate heart health heroes. They help reduce triglycerides, which are like the bad guys in the heart health story. Lower triglyceride levels mean a reduced risk of stroke, heart attacks, and other cardiovascular woes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that a bit too good to be true? Well, the research is promising, but more studies are needed to confirm these effects. But, in my opinion, it's definitely worth a shot, especially if you're looking to give your heart some extra love. Another fascinating aspect of cod liver oil is its potential to lower cholesterol levels. Now, I know cholesterol is often demonized, but it's not all bad. Healthy cholesterol levels are essential for overall well-being. And here's where cod liver oil comes in. It may help improve lipid levels in the body, reducing the risk of high cholesterol. However, the research on cod liver oil's benefits alone is limited, and it may be more effective when combined with other cholesterol-lowering medications. So, if you're looking to give your cholesterol levels a boost, cod liver oil might be worth a try, but definitely consult your doctor first. Now, let's talk about the anti-inflammatory properties of cod liver oil. You see, those omega-3 fatty acids aren't just heart healthy. They're also anti-inflammatory. But what makes cod liver oil stand out is its rich vitamin A and D content, which also offer their own anti-inflammatory effects. Keeping inflammation levels under control is like having a secret weapon for overall health and well-being. It supports normal immune system function, heart health, and even recovery after exercise. So, if you're looking to give your body an extra boost, cod liver oil might just be the secret ingredient you've been missing. Now, let's talk about bone health. As we age, our bones can become more fragile, and osteoporosis becomes a real concern. Well, guess what? Cod liver oil is like the ultimate bone health booster. It's rich in vitamin D, which helps support bone density and strength. Older research found that taking a daily cod liver oil supplement could improve bone mineral density, especially in women. So, if you're looking to give your bones some extra love, cod liver oil might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. Finally, let's talk about eye health. You see, those omega-3s and vitamin A in cod liver oil aren't just for show. They're like the ultimate eye health heroes. Vitamin A is essential for the production of pigments in the retina, which is like the camera in your eye. And those omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that may help improve dry eye and a type of vision loss called age-related macular degeneration, AMD. So, if you're looking to give your eyes some extra love, cod liver oil might just be the secret weapon you've been missing. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I add cod liver oil to my daily routine? Well, it's easier than you think. You can cook with it or find products for the skin like ointments with antibacterial properties. But most people take it as a supplement in capsule, liquid, or liquid-filled capsule forms. Most brands recommend about 5 milliliters of cod liver oil daily for adults. But remember, it's essential to consult your doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine. Now, I know what you're thinking, is cod liver oil safe? Well, the good news is that it's generally considered safe if you take it according to the manufacturer's dosage recommendations. However, supplements are not regulated by the FDA, so it's crucial to ensure the quality and safety of the product. With cod liver oil supplements, there's also a concern of potential contamination from heavy metals, which can be found in seafood. But don't worry, Reports and research suggest that fish oil supplements generally contain minuscule amounts that shouldn't be harmful when consumed in moderation. In conclusion, cod liver oil is like the ultimate wellness superhero, offering a range of potential benefits for heart health, cholesterol levels, inflammation, bone health, and eye health. So, if you're looking to give your daily routine an extra boost, cod liver oil might just be the secret weapon you've been missing. But remember, it's essential to consult your doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine. So what do you think? Are you ready to give cod liver oil a try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness insights.